Alright, YouTube. I just made a bird trap. Let me show you how it works and how to build it. First, you're gonna need either like a new sapling or a bendy tree if you don't know what that means, or just a flimsy long stick off of a tree, which is this. Second, you're gonna need a knife, sharpen out the ends of these things right here, and right here. They're gonna hold this stick down. Alright, then you're gonna need a bait stick or trigger stick, and then that little nub stick right there. Alright, then you're gonna need some fishing string, like right there. Alright, first you're gonna need to make a noose knot and put it around your bendy stick. Second, make another one on the end of the string. Then you're gonna need a stick like that, or these. I tried coat hangers and they work pretty good too. These things to hold your stick down. Then you're gonna tie your little nub stick onto your string, and then you're gonna pull your stick down by the string and pull it under your stick. Then get your bait stick and press it up against. I used a brick, or you could use a flat piece of wood right here. Press it up against something, and then place it right there on your nub stick. Right there on your nub stick. Then you're gonna take that second noose and make a big wide circle with your noose, and this how it works. Oh, you could put some bait on too. I'm about to bait it after I do this vid. Let me see. Alright. Here's the bird. Sees the bait and catches it. See? Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.